Welcome to this guide on Cash App Error Code 2001. Cash App is a mobile payment service developed by Square that allows users to easily send and receive money. Cash App offers several key functionalities, including sending money to friends and family using just their phone number or email address, paying bills directly from the app, buying and selling stocks through their investing platform, and even earning cash back on certain purchases. Now, Error code 2001 is a specific error that appears when your Cash App account has been restricted. This restriction temporarily limits your ability to send money to others, receive funds, or add money to your account until the issue is resolved. Cash App may restrict accounts for several reasons to protect users and comply with regulations. These restrictions help prevent fraud and ensure platform security. One common reason is suspicious activity. This includes unusual transactions, multiple failed login attempts, or patterns that suggest unauthorized access. Cash App monitors for these red flags to protect your account. Another reason is violation of terms of service. This occurs when users break Cash App's rules, such as engaging in fraudulent activities or attempting prohibited transactions. Security concerns can also trigger restrictions. This happens when Cash App detects risks such as compromised devices, suspicious IP addresses, or potential hacking attempts. Finally, incomplete verification can lead to restrictions. This occurs when users fail to complete identity verification, properly link their bank account, or finish required security steps. The first step in resolving Cash App Error Code 2001 is to check your account activity for any unusual or unauthorized transactions that might have triggered the restriction. Start by opening your Cash App on your mobile device and navigating to the Activity tab at the bottom of the screen. This will show you your recent transactions. Your activity screen will display a list of your recent transactions, similar to this example. Look through each entry carefully for any unfamiliar payments or transfers. When reviewing your activity, watch for signs of unauthorized access, such as transactions you don't recognize, payments to unfamiliar accounts, new device logins you didn't approve, or canceled transactions that weren't your doing. Additionally, check your device's app settings for Cash App to see if notifications are enabled and if any unusual permissions have been granted, which could indicate unauthorized access. If you discover any suspicious transactions or signs of unauthorized access, stop using the app immediately and contact Cash App support right away to report the issue. The second step in resolving Error Code 2001 is to carefully review Cash App's terms of service. This document outlines what you can and cannot do with your account, helping you identify any potential violations that might have led to the restriction. To access the terms of service, open your Cash App and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Then scroll down through the settings and tap on Terms of Service to read the full document. Pay special attention to two key sections: Acceptable Use, which describes permitted activities like personal financial transactions and legal money transfers, and Prohibited Activities, which lists forbidden behaviors such as fraudulent transactions, money laundering, and selling prohibited items. Reviewing the terms of service is crucial because unknowingly violating these rules can result in your account being restricted or even closed, as shown in this notification example. By understanding what activities are prohibited, you can better explain your situation when contacting support. As you read through the terms of service, take notes on any sections that might relate to your account activity. This will help you prepare a more informed support request in the next steps. A fully verified Cash App account is crucial for security and accessing all features. Verification helps prevent fraud and ensures your transactions are protected. To check your verification status, open the Cash App, tap on your profile picture, and look for the Identity Verification section. If your account isn't fully verified, tap the Verify button and follow the prompts to submit a photo of your ID and a selfie for biometric verification. Another important step is linking a bank account. Go to your profile, select Linked Banks, and follow the instructions to connect your bank, which may include verifying small deposits. Completing these verification steps not only lifts restrictions, but also provides better security features, as you can see in comparisons of digital wallet apps. The first method to contact Cash App support is directly through the app itself. This is often the quickest way to get help with your account restrictions. First, open the Cash App on your smartphone or tablet. You'll see your account balance and available options on the home screen. Tap the profile icon, which looks like a person silhouette, located in the top right corner of the screen. In the profile menu, scroll down until you find the support option and tap it to access help. In the support section, you can either start a live chat by tapping Message Us or submit a formal support ticket by tapping Submit a Request. Both options will help you address your account restrictions. When contacting support, be ready to explain your issue clearly, including when you first encountered the error and what you were trying to do. If the in-app support method doesn't work, you can contact Cash App support via email. Cash App does not provide phone support, so use their official email address, support@cash.app. When sending your inquiry, be patient, as response times can vary depending on volume. When contacting Cash App support about error code 2001, include specific information to help them resolve your issue quickly. First, provide your Cash App username. This is essential for support to identify your account. Next, include a clear description of the issue, mentioning that you're seeing error code 2001. Finally, provide any relevant transaction details that might be related to the restriction. Including these details will help support understand your situation and provide faster assistance. Effective communication with Cash App support is crucial for resolving your error code 2001 quickly. Here are key tips to communicate politely and professionally. First, be polite and professional in your communication. Use courteous language, avoid slang or caps lock, and maintain a respectful tone throughout your message. Second, provide accurate and complete information. Include your error code, account details, and a clear description of the issue. Double-check your message before sending to ensure everything is correct. Finally, be patient while waiting for a response. Support teams handle many requests, so responses typically take 24 to 48 hours. Avoid sending multiple messages or expressing frustration. Here's an example of what a support chat might look like, showing clear and polite communication. When you contact Cash App support about error code 2001, you may receive different types of responses depending on the situation. These typically fall into three main categories: requests for additional information, explanations of the restriction, or timelines for resolution. The first type of response is a request for additional information. Cash App support often needs more details to verify your identity or understand the context of the restriction. This might include asking for your full account details, recent transaction history, or proof of payment methods. The second type is an explanation of the restriction. Cash App support will provide details about why your account was restricted. This could be due to suspected fraudulent activity, violations of their terms of service, or incomplete account verification. The explanation helps you understand what triggered the error code 2001. The third type of response includes timelines for resolution. Cash App support will often give you an estimated time frame for when the restriction might be lifted. This could range from a few hours for minor issues to several business days for more complex verification processes. Sometimes account restrictions on Cash App may take longer to resolve than expected. Several factors can contribute to these delays. One common reason is ongoing investigations. If there's suspicion of fraudulent activity or cybercrime, Cash App must perform detailed investigations. This includes examining account transactions, conducting background checks, and possibly coordinating with law enforcement. These investigations can extend the restriction period significantly. Another factor is complex security issues. Some cases involve sophisticated threats, unusual transaction patterns, or connections to multiple accounts. Cash App's security team requires additional time to thoroughly analyze these situations and implement appropriate safeguards. Finally, high support volumes can cause delays. When many users contact support simultaneously, it creates backlogs. Each case is reviewed carefully, but the sheer volume can extend wait times. Understanding these reasons can help you manage your expectations while Cash App works to resolve your restriction. Knowing when to escalate your support request is crucial for resolving issues efficiently. Consider escalating if you haven't received a response within a reasonable time frame, typically 24 to 48 hours. You should also escalate if you're unsatisfied with the initial resolution provided or if the issue persists after the first attempt to fix it. These escalation processes are illustrated in various support flow diagrams and incident response timelines. The images show structured paths for handling issues when initial support levels cannot resolve them. To prevent future account restrictions on Cash App, focus on three key areas: avoiding suspicious transactions, adhering to the terms of service, and keeping your account information current. First, avoid suspicious transactions. Only send money to people you know personally. Be cautious with large transfers that might trigger security flags, and avoid using Cash App for high-volume business transactions. Second, carefully adhere to Cash App's terms of service. Take time to read and understand the rules, follow all platform guidelines, and report any violations you encounter. Third, keep your account information current. Regularly verify your email and phone number, update personal details when they change, and monitor your account for any status updates. Cash App users should be aware of phishing attempts that try to steal your personal information or money. These scams often impersonate Cash App support or send fake emails that look legitimate. Phishing scams use fake emails, texts, or websites that appear to be from Cash App. They trick users into revealing sensitive information or sending money to scammers. Here's an example of a common phishing scam. This fake email claims to be from a rental agency and asks for a deposit through Cash App to secure an apartment. It creates urgency to pressure you into acting quickly. Watch for these red flags in potential phishing attempts: urgent language pressuring quick action, requests for money or personal information, suspicious links that don't match Cash App's official site, or emails from unfamiliar addresses. Scammers might also send fake notifications through texts or apps, claiming your account needs immediate attention. Always verify through the official Cash App. The most important rule is to only communicate with Cash App support through official channels. Use the Cash App website, the in-app support feature, or verified phone numbers from Cash App's official site. Official Cash App communications will always use the correct logo and branding. Look for the green square with the white $sign. Official emails from Cash App will come from verified domains and won't ask for sensitive information or payments. Here's an example of a legitimate account notification. If you receive a suspicious message, contact Cash App support directly through the official app or website. Never click on suspicious links, download unknown attachments, or share your personal information with unverified sources. Strong passwords and security settings are essential for protecting your Cash App account from unauthorized access and potential fraud. According to security experts, 81% of hacking-related breaches involve either stolen or weak passwords. Using a weak password for your Cash App account can expose your payment information and funds to potential theft. To create a strong password, use at least 12 characters combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using common words, your name, or easily guessable information. Each account should have its own unique password, and consider using a password manager to help generate and store them securely. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security beyond just your password. It requires both something you know, like your password, and something you have, such as your phone. This protects your account even if someone steals your password. To enable these security features in Cash App, open the app and go to your profile, then select Privacy and Security. From there, you can enable two-factor authentication and ensure you have a strong password setup. Regularly update your security settings and monitor your account activity to ensure your Cash App remains secure. Regularly monitoring your Cash App account is crucial for maintaining security. Make it a habit to check your transaction history frequently for any signs of unauthorized access or suspicious activity. Access your activity by opening the Cash App and tapping on your profile picture, then selecting Activity to review recent transactions. Enable transaction notifications in your app settings to receive alerts for every transaction. Go to Settings, then Notifications, and turn on Transaction Alerts. Be alert for suspicious messages claiming accidental transfers or requests for refunds to different accounts, as these could be scams. By staying vigilant and monitoring your account regularly, you can quickly spot and address any potential issues before they become serious problems. Keeping your Cash App regularly updated is essential for maintaining both security and optimal functionality. Updates often contain important bug fixes that resolve issues affecting app performance, as well as critical security patches that protect against potential vulnerabilities and threats. If your Cash App account remains restricted for an extended period, consider using alternative payment methods. These options can help you continue sending and receiving money while resolving the restriction issue. Popular alternatives include Venmo for quick person-to-person payments, PayPal for online purchases and transfers, and Zelle for bank-to-bank transfers through participating banks. Another option is direct bank transfers. This method involves transferring money directly from your bank account to the recipient's account. Bank transfers are secure, but may take 1 to 3 business days to complete. Check with your bank for any fees or limits. For more traditional methods, consider money orders. These are prepaid instruments that can be purchased at post offices or stores like Western Union. Money orders provide a physical receipt and are often used for larger amounts. Be sure to keep the receipt safe for tracking purposes. These alternatives can bridge the gap while you work on resolving your Cash App restriction. Choose the method that best fits your needs and situation. To recap the steps for fixing Cash App Error Code 2001, start by checking your account activity for any potential violations. Next, review Cash App's terms of service to understand the rules. Then, verify your account information to ensure everything is correct. Contact Cash App support through available methods like in-app chat or phone. Finally, take preventative measures, such as using strong security settings and regularly updating the app to avoid future issues. As we wrap up our discussion on resolving Error Code 2001, remember that you're not alone in this situation. Most account restrictions on Cash App can be successfully resolved with patience and persistence. Stay calm, follow the steps we've outlined, and don't hesitate to reach out to Cash App support. With the right approach, you'll get back to using your account smoothly. Before we conclude, it's important to include this disclaimer. The information in this video series provides general guidance about Cash App Error Code 2001 and related topics. However, it should not be considered financial or legal advice. For specific financial or legal concerns, always seek professional help. Consult a certified financial advisor or accountant for money-related matters and a qualified attorney for legal issues. Thank you for watching this educational series on fixing Cash App Error Code 2001. Remember to stay informed and seek expert guidance when needed.